I'm going back to school this summer, so you don't have to. As a Google certified trainer since 2013, I've seen a lot of tech shifts. But Gemini in 2026 is making it easier to organize and run our businesses. In this video, I'll explain exactly what my upcoming Gemini certification means for your business. If we haven't met yet, I'm Amy from Clutter. I help small business owners reduce their tech stack and their mental load in one move. For over a decade, I've helped business owners streamline their technology, but with the rollout of the 2026 Gemini updates, Google is shifting the entire workspace ecosystem. I want to make sure that you can leverage these built-in tools safely, simply, and without chasing every new AI tool on the market. So make sure you stick around because I'm going to show you a 10-second shortcut. We'll take a completely messy, scrambled spreadsheet and let Gemini format it perfectly in one click. No manual typing, no broken columns, and no headache. Let's talk about the pressure that business owners are facing in 2026. Every software platform is screaming at you to buy their new AI add-ons. It's exhausting and it creates additional expense and friction between all of your apps. But I'm here to tell you that Google Workspace can already do 90% of what your small business needs. Adding extra apps to your business is like buying a separate kitchen gadget for every single recipe when you already have a high-end chef's kitchen waiting to be unlocked. We can replace those expensive workarounds with the workflows that you're already paying for inside your Google account. No rabbit holes today, just clean built-in solutions. To show you what I mean by digital tidying, let's look at a task almost every business owner dreads: importing messy contact data. Look at this spreadsheet. The names are squished together and the columns don't match the standard Google headers. Manually fixing this could take hours. Instead, we're going to hand this messy data to our built-in assistant. We simply ask Gemini to separate the first and last names, clean up the formatting, and organize it under standard Google Contacts headers. Look at that. In less than 10 seconds, it is pristine. Now we can save it and import it into Google Contacts directly. If your contacts are currently spread across random sticky notes, old spreadsheets, and various software, don't stress. That's fine for now. But imagine how much lighter your workday will feel when your system does the organizing for you. This is exactly why I'm getting Gemini certified. I want to help you use Gemini to leverage the integration of your Google apps to save you time, money, and frustration. We are going to make sure that your emails, documents, spreadsheets, and calendars are all communicating beautifully with each other without you needing to patch them together with expensive third-party tools. You don't need to learn complex prompting. You just need to understand the system you already have that will save you resources and mental energy so you can focus on what matters most. This video is part of my Gemini series where we're cutting through the tech clutter to make your workspace simpler and cleaner. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next practical update. When you're ready to start organizing your digital files, grab my DIY vault in the description below to set up a strong foundation. And when you need a calm, patient guide to help you clean up your drive or safely bring Gemini into your daily routines, let's connect. Click the link below to book a clarity call, and let's make some workspace magic together. I look forward to helping you succeed.